Hey guys, it's Danielle with Bo Peeps Bonnets. Today I'm making a little Christmas tree for the birds with items that I had around my kitchen. Now I actually already had all these items made up because in our kitchen I had a Christmas tree and I had all these things on it. But I've since taken that Christmas tree down and I don't want to get rid of all this food when the birds or maybe even the squirrels might enjoy snacking on it. So let me walk you through how to make all this. So if you want to try this project, you can. So over here to start, we have the classic air popped popcorn garland. All you are going to do is air pop some popcorn, get a needle and thread, and string it into a garland as long as you like. Second up, we have these cranberry wreaths. You do the same thing as you would with the garland. You just string it in a row, and then when you're happy with the length, you form it into a circle and tie a double knot and another loop, and you have a wreath. Now, last up, we have these dehydrated apples and oranges. Now, what you want to do for those is slice your apples and oranges really thin, set your oven to 200 degrees, and put them on a cookie sheet. Put them in the oven for about 2 to 3 hours. And you probably want to check on them about halfway through, and you're going to want to flip them so that they can dry evenly on both sides. Now, we did do one last decoration, which I think kind of was a dud. Maybe it looks a little scandalous. I don't know. But I wanted to try to get something that looked like icicles, so I had some raisins, so I thought maybe if we just string some raisins, they'll look like icicles. I don't know. I think they might look like something else, but anyway, maybe a squirrel will steal this and he'll enjoy it. So let's go outside to the arborvitae tree these are going to go on, and we'll have some fun out there. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, here we are in our backyard. I just planted this green giant arborvitae last fall, so you'll see it's not very big yet, but I think it's the ideal size for the amount of food that I have. All right, let's just put it on the tree. Okay guys, here we are all finished. And you know, I think I learned a few things while doing this. Inside on my artificial tree, I was able to push the apples and oranges right into the branches. But out here that was a lot harder. So I think next time I'd put them on some string as well. Now, of course, this won't last long. If it rains, it will probably be done. But I'll enjoy it while it's here, and I hope to get some good pictures of the birds, the squirrels, and even my cat Rocky enjoying it. Bye!